Welcome back to my channel. I am Unique and we're going to go ahead and get started. We have our OPI Gelivate stilettos laid out and we're going to be using our OPI Gelivate 4-in-1 builder today. Be added to the side, the middle, and the side. Just going to scrape a little bit off the brush. We're going to turn our curing light on. Going to apply nail at a 45-degree angle into the gel. Push down slightly until the gel free flows to the tip of the nail. Once there, put it underneath the curing light. Today we're going to do something different. I bought these neon powders from Amazon and we're just going to try a couple of designs on them. We're actually going to use this neon green, this pink, and this purple. Let me go ahead and get set up, fam. Now you can actually see how pigment these colors are. I just wanted to do something different. This is the summertime, so I just wanted to bring a pop of bright colors to my fingernails. So before we apply the powders, we're actually going to use this gel base coat that I actually got off of Amazon. We're going to see if this works. Hopefully it does. All cured. Now we're not going to wipe off the sticky layer from the gel base coat. We're going to use that there, leave that there actually, so these powders can adhere to my nails better, because I am not going to apply a nail polish on top of these nails. We're going to go straight in with the powder on these nails. So the first one we're going to use is, I want to use the bottom. I'm going to use the pink. I'm going to take it off of the actual lid and I'm just going to dab that on there. See? Dab it to exactly where I want it. This is not going to be perfect. This is just me trying something different. Okay, I'm going to switch on over to the purple. Corners. I'm gonna go ahead and cure that. I know it looks really dark right now, but we're gonna go ahead and cure that. We'll be right back. Cured it. We're gonna go ahead and use our brush just to wipe it off. See if we missed any edges, which we did right here. I'm just gonna apply a little more green. Now we're going to move on to the other fingernails. We're going to go ahead and map them out. So I want to do a green base here. cured. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe them off, and we're gonna take a look at them. So this one right here is the one we had problems with. So what I think I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna add a little bit of gel base coat on this area, because that might be the problem. So I'm not going to use the brush that came with the base gel. I'm actually going to use my interchangeable brush that I got from Shein. Okay fam, all cured. Let's go ahead and see if that will help us fill in this little gap on this side. Okay, got some of our, yep fam, that worked. Okay, we're gonna take a look at all of our nails to make sure we got everything where we wanted it to be. Got the color as thick as we want it to be, because I don't want it as dark. So we're gonna go ahead and cure this section again, and we will be right back. Cured. Now let's go ahead and wipe that little area off. That is good to go. Now we're going to be using this last top coat. You know I'm not going to pronounce that word, but I got it from Shein, so I will leave this in the description box as well. Nails are all cured. I think they came out super cute. I love that they're just powders. There is no nail polish underneath. There's just a clear nails, and I use these powders that I got from Amazon. I want to show you that they came in a pack of, I mean, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different little containers of powders. And they were so easy to apply. So we're definitely going to be using this as well. But I will link this down in the description box below. But back to the nails, we're gonna put a couple of little rhinestones on the tip of the nails, because we don't want to take away from the powders that we created. So we're gonna use these. We already have them laid out. We're gonna go ahead and start applying our glue. Nails are cured. Fam, I enjoy doing my nails today. I really enjoy those powders and creating something magical, something different. I hope you get a chance to get your hands on these powders as well. I will leave them in the description box below. Thank you for stopping by, fam. We look forward to seeing you again. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.